Microsoft project for grad school. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do critical task, network diagram, and report. In the project that I had for school, I had to complete all three, and I'll show you that. So let's say that we are completed with start, plan, and acquire all the way through computers. We are completed with those tasks. So just highlight the 1 and drop down all the way down to 5. Up here in the task tab, click 100% and watch what happens here. We have 100% completed. And for 6, let's say we are only 25% completed. Okay, in the project, what I had to do, I had to show critical task. So what I did for that is I went to Format and Critical Task. And what critical task does, it shows everything that is not completed in red. So critical task and everything that is not completed is shown in red. So at this point, I did a screenshot and I hit the Windows key icon and the print screen, and you'll see it gray out for half a second. Then I copied and pasted that into my project management plan. That is critical task. Now I'm going to show you network diagram. Go to the task tab, and on the Gantt chart, the drop-down arrow, network diagram. And I moved the scroll bar over, and I took a screenshot of the network diagram. So Windows icon key and the print screen. Again, I copied and pasted this into my project management plan. And for the last thing that I had to do for this report, for this video, is report. I went to report, and in progress, critical task. And again, I took a screenshot and copied and pasted into my project management plan.